What's the meaning of ballet? Ballet. Ballet.
Ballet. Ballet. Ballet is a form of dance that originated in the Italian Renaissance courts during the 15th century and later developed into a concert dance form in France and Russia. It is characterized by its graceful movements, precise technique, and elaborate costumes. Ballet often tells a story or represents a specific theme through dance and music. It requires years of practice and training to perfect the intricate movements and techniques involved. Ballet dancers must have excellent physical strength and flexibility, as well as grace and artistry. Ballet has become a respected and widely popular form of dance and is performed in theaters worldwide.